Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Triple 7. Now, this video I'll be basically showing you guys how to make your Android devices look like this. Basically the iOS 15, and this is how it looks. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get your devices to look like this. So first things first, you need to launch your Play Store, and in this case it's App Store here, and you'd need to search for iOS 15 launcher, and you need to install this application. So basically this application allows you to have the same look and feel as how the iOS 15 would look on an iPhone, and yeah, it works without lag. If your phone has a good enough memory inbuilt, it will work without lag and all of that. So this is how to do it, how to get the iOS 15 look. And as you can see, if I should long press on any of these, I'll be greeted with various options similar to what the iPhone would present to you. And we even have the control center here. So if I should swipe from the right of my screen, as you can see, we have the control center, and we could do various tasks here. We have the camera calculator, we could lock our devices, we could screen record and all of that. So that is a unique feature inbuilt in this launcher. Well, this is not inbuilt in this launcher. You could download the control center separately. As you can see, I have the control center installed here, and you could get this separately. Now there are a few customizations which you could possibly make to this. So launch into the application iOS 15 launcher, and then you could further customize this. So let's allow all of these, and as you can see, we have various options here which we could customize. So we could customize the layout. As you can see, it has ads, so we could reduce the icon size. Let's turn those down a bit. We could enable dark mode, which is always useful to have, and we could enable a little bit of padding. We could also enable the assistive touch. Okay, as you can see, we reduced the icon size, and we now have a better look to the iOS 15. Now let's go back into this, and as you can see, we could set the lock screen, the control center, and various options here. We could use the blur effect. Now this is filled with ads because it is quite popular, so they're trying to make a little money off it. And we have hidden apps feature, so we have quite a lot of features in this launcher, which is quite cool. However, I personally am a fan of Nova Launcher since day one, so I'd recommend Nova Launcher still. However, this is just if you want a different look to your Android device. Let's say you are using iOS and you happen to have an Android phone and you want to make it look like an iOS device. Well, this is the launcher for you. You could check that out and give it a try. Let me know. You could simply get this from the Google Play Store. We have the app library here. We have control center, all of this. We could add the widgets and so on. So yeah, that is basically a overview of the iOS 15 launcher. So feel free to check it out. Let me know if it worked for you. Thank you guys for watching. Triple 7 out.